In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book paid meetings with Calendly plus Stripe, 5 minutes. By the end, your Calendly event will collect payment upfront through Stripe, so every booking is confirmed and paid before it hits your calendar. First, open a browser and head to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login, enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and continue again to access your dashboard. If you're prompted for any verification, complete that and you'll land on the Calendly homepage where your event types live. Quick note, make sure you have an active Calendly account and an existing Stripe account ready. Stripe may require your business details, so it helps to have those handy. From your Calendly home, find and click Integrations and Apps. This section is where Calendly connects with other tools. Scroll or search for Stripe, then select it. On the Stripe page, click Connect with Stripe. This hands you off securely to Stripe so Calendly can accept payments on your behalf. If you're already signed into Stripe, you'll see your account right away. Otherwise, log in using your Stripe credentials. Follow the Stripe prompts to confirm the connection and authorize the integration. You're granting Calendly permission to create charges when someone books. Review the details, then approve. Once authorized, Stripe will send you back to Calendly and the integration will show as connected. Now let's apply payments to an event. Back in Calendly, click Event Types. Choose the specific event you want to make paid. This could be a consultation, coaching session, or any meeting where you charge a fee. Open the event, then click More Options. Select Payment to configure how guests pay when booking. Choose the option to get paid by Stripe. This links the event directly to your Stripe account. You'll see fields to set the amount you want to charge. Enter the price that matches your offering. If currency options appear, confirm the correct currency for your customers. You can also adjust any per invitee settings if needed, especially for group events where each person pays individually. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. That's it. The event is now pay to book. A few tips before you share your link. Add a brief note in the event description about your refund or cancellation policy and specify what's included in the session. It's also smart to open your public booking page and run a quick test to confirm the payment step is visible and works as expected. Once everything looks good, share your event link with clients and enjoy seamless paid bookings through Calendly and Stripe.